This canvas is too big. It's expensive. You're going to ruin it. You don't actually know what you're doing. This is going to expose you. Maybe you paint already. Maybe you should just play for. Maybe you're not a big canvas person.
Cool, we're gonna paint it anyway. Let's do this. So here's what I'm gonna do. Our palette inspiration is a potpourri bowl. Just to play a little safe. I don't know where this is gonna go. I have no idea what's gonna happen on this canvas, but I just know that I am going to have fun and we might have fun together. Let's do this. We have the water here, we have some bowls to keep the paints wet, and the canvas as well if we want to blend something. We have a big brush, we have a little small brush, but I have ruined it, I think. This is a great start. Still going to keep this here just for some kind of texture or play or whatever we can do with it. This is the red paint, more red, eggshell white, like cadmium orange hue, cadmium yellow deep hue. I am thinking, let's start with red. Orange. I'm gonna put some water in this so it becomes more liquidy. Let's do this. Here we go. It's sad that I'm wearing white pants. Wow. Ooh, la la. How more yellow to this? Fine cone things from the potpourri and dip it in this, and let's see what textures we can make. Maybe. Okay, this is not helping. I don't give a shit about this one. This is so fun, dude. Do we kind of hate this part? Maybe I just hate losing control. I think I kind of like it. Let's continue. I am going to add a dark shade. Texas. Also, I'm so grateful for these little things that open up. I think this is perfect for like an artist room, like a bedroom studio. Shout out to my friend Manali Shah who designed my house, and this room, this is perfect in this way. Oh wow. This is my favorite part, just making splatters. Let's not get into our heads. Just continue what we were doing. think too much fun has been had, and I just think I need to step away from this before I almost ruin it, because I kind of like it like this right now, and I have had a lot of fun doing this. Yeah, so before I make it mucky, I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is right now. Maybe once I let it dry, we'll see what to do with this. It does not look too bad. We did something at the bottom there, and now we want to have some fun. No overthinking, no overanalyzing. Our agenda is to have fun, and that's what we're gonna do. We need to step away from this before we absolutely ruin this. Orange isn't working. Step the fuck away. So here's what this dramatic spiral actually taught me. Don't wear white pants. Get a bigger bed sheet. Paint doesn't splatter everywhere. But on a serious note, fear grows in stillness. The longer I stared at the canvas, the scarier it became. But once I made that first messy mark, the splatters in the beginning, the fear just shrank this small because I started having fun. I think we overestimate how powerful doubt is when we are not moving or taking action. Another thing that I learned is playing can really interrupt perfectionism. The moment I decided to ruin the canvas, everything just felt lighter. Painting came alive, and I stopped focusing on impressing anyone. I stopped performing for anyone. Things just naturally started flowing. When it's play, it's lighter. When it's performance, it becomes heavy. Yes, baby. Yes, babu. Yes. Another thing I took away from this is control is overrated in the early stages. I think I confuse control with skill. I feel like the more I am in control, better it's going to turn out. I don't think that's true. And chaos isn't failure. It is just that whole process where you're still figuring things out. And you don't learn by protecting it. You actually learn by touching it, messing with it, scraping shit out, just using random tools like we did today. Losing control maybe is the point. So yeah, my brain spiraled. I painted anyway. The world intent. And maybe that was the whole point all along. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week with more chaos and more fun. Bye. I'm gonna show you what it looks like before I step away.